your charts in view. T6 family, we know what to do. Coffee's hot, the screens are glowing. Markets open soon and the money's flowing. We got EB lines and SMA, gigs level set and we're ready to play. T6 strong, our goal is clear. No fear in our hearts when the open's near. Plan to trade and trade a plan. Get a little help from the whoosh fan. Every candle tells a tale. We rise, we win, we never fail. Let's go. TCM, the bells are about to ring. We trade with power with market kings. Shots to the left, conviction to the right. We grind all day, we own the night. Gamma hedge pressure, you gotta know. Levels don't lie, they tell us where to go. Patience and plan, that's how we play. T6Trader, lead the way. No panic, no doubt, no retreat. Rise to the top, others can't compete. Through red or green, we stay aligned. Together as one trade in mind. Let's go, T6 fam, the world's awake. We move with purpose in every trade we make. From open to close, our profits flow. T6 strong, our accounts just grow and grow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, good day to you, hump day. Let's see what we got. Just getting started here. Haven't set up my charts yet. I've got my overnight high over here. I bring this up here. Where was that overnight high? It was, whoa, it's quite a ways up there. Let's see. Right at the open. So it's right at the open, and then we took it out. Let's see. Now our low is way down here. Might have to draw a new low. Right there. Overnight low. Let me sync that globally also. Okay, set up on all my charts. Just put this one down here. Overnight low. Let's see if it syncs. No. Okay. Sync globally. Boom. So I've got that on both my charts. Actually, I have to get rid of this. Let me move this up. Daily high. Okay. I think I am all set. No, I got another line here I got to get rid of. Took a few trades last night on gold. So right off the bat, I longed it. Took a hit on my PA, one of my PA accounts, and then I longed it at blind level number 3. I think it was BL3. Made it all back and up 100 on that. 98, I rounded up to 100. So let's see where we're at here. All right. Just organizing my screen here. Let me take a look at gold, actually, see what we're doing. I do have a level on gold, actually a BL3 at 42.25. I do have an order to buy at that level. If we come down, actually I need to draw my lines also on that. Let's see. Let me see if I can find a good area here. BL20, or 4220, 4226, 26. Yeah, okay, 4226, 4220. Those are both good areas. They have a huge JEX level on NASDAQ way up at 25,919. JEX level here, number 5, we're right at it. Well, we have a lot of tops right at it. At 69, no, at 90. Yeah, 69.90 in ES. Let me go over to my ES over here. Okay. At 9 o'clock, I think we have JOLTS numbers today. So that is definitely going to move the market. Let me double check that. 9 a.m. Yeah, we got ISM services numbers, which aren't that big of a deal. JOLTS job openings. Looking for 7.67. No, that was the previous forecast, 7.7. So job openings are looking for 7.7. If it's a little bit lower, well, unemployment, if it's lower, it'd be better. I don't know about the JOLTS job openings themselves. We'll have to see. I'm going to play it on the deviation bands. It does give you a whipsaw. I'm going to play when we get there, 9 a.m. It's only about 30 minutes away. Let's see, when's the open? 9 minutes till the open. Let me pull up my number 2. Oh, yeah. Okay, I've got a short at 70.13 on the ES. A buy at 69.47. I'm actually going to place those right now. Let's see, MES 47. What am I on? I got to change my accounts here. There we go. So those, I don't have a whole lot of levels today. You got overnight, high, overnight low if that gets taken out. Let me go on a higher time frame here, see what we got. 15-minute. We went low yesterday. Pretty low yesterday. Get rid of this daily high. Oh, we are quite a ways from our 200 also on our 15 minutes. Look at how far the JEX level is, way up there. It's different on the ES. We can ride above the 200 for quite a while, as you can see. And we rode below it. Now we're above it. Just trying to catch up on our 15. Still looking for longs here. Yeah, that could make a big checkmark day. That could make a huge checkmark day. Where are my drawing tools at? Yep, we could make a huge check mark day. Whoops. Get rid of that. We're already in the mix for a huge check mark. Oops. Oh, I hate when I move lines by mistake. Now I have to go look that up. Did that move globally? Let me see. Let me see if that's going to move. Oh, it did move globally. Oh, no. So I'm not sure where that was. I think that was right at the open, actually. Let me zoom back into a 2-minute. Yeah, it was actually right about here. See, I wasn't trusting this level last night because it was so close to the highs that I did not long off of that. Thank goodness. Right about there. Okay. Overnight high, overnight low. We got that. We're hovering around our 200. I wonder if we're going to break down or go up. Ooh. Let's go back to the 2-minute on our ES. We're hovering near the overnight high on ES, which is bullish. Right in the middle on NQ. Above the 200, above the 200. $44.20. Looking for a long off of gold at $44.20. ES. Don't really like shorting the ES. Do we have anybody watching this stream? If you're watching the stream, give me say something in the chat. If not, then I'll know that there's nobody here. 'Cause I do not have that count down here. NQ. So NQ could go up. Do have a nice level on ES actually down here, 69.68. I think I already have buy orders down there. Let me see. Not on that. I do have some buy orders already plugged in. On some of my accounts, 68.60, 69.68. Got some buy orders in there. See what we can come up with. Get some music going. You know if you can hear that. I think it's kind of low actually. Yeah, you can probably hear that. Hopefully the mic's not picking that up. All right, where are we at here? Open in 1 minute. Is it gonna go? Let's see. Close to the overnight high. I'm struggling to go higher, actually. There it goes. Oh yeah, there's the pop. NQ. ES taking out the overnight high. ES looking a little heavy. Am I in the 2 minute there? Let me get back to the 1 minute. It's a major resistance on the NQ right there. That was yesterday's major resistance. Oh yeah, I've got a whole lot of nothing going on today in ES or NQ. Wait for it to play out here. Overnight low. It might follow our order blocks today, actually. It's gonna take out all those order blocks. Yeah, looks like it'll wait till Jolts. It'll probably range around until Jolts comes out. Man, Q's taking off here. ES looks a little heavy. Okay, I'm looking ES. Let me see this real quick. $69.77 in ES. $69.77. Yeah, that's right around our overnight low. NQ's heading up towards Jex level. ES doesn't have very far to go. We're bouncing off our 200 and an order block in ES. I like to see it come take out the overnight low here. Then it's going to drag NASDAQ down probably. Unless those tech stocks are super strong today. I don't know what NVIDIA's doing. Tesla went down quite a bit. I don't even have NVIDIA on here. Oh, man. I'm going to have to get it. Check out my gold again. Gold's not doing much. Bitcoin's coming down. 91.6. Yeah, I like my gold level, actually. At 25. 44.25, I like that. Do have some resistance. 44.80, and then also a big resistance up at 4,500, even. Overnight high, flirting with that. On our ES, that was a tight range on ES. Yes, looking for the fair value gap at overnight high, just like the song says. Yeah, I think this is going to range until 9 o'clock. We got another 20 minutes before Jolts comes out. That should move the market. I like my Apex accounts, but although they banned me, I've got a few left. They banned me from buying any more because I was too consistent, pulling out payments every month, but not consistent, not large enough to go live, so they say. So they banned me from buying any more accounts. But I like them because you can trade the news. Some of the other ones, T6Trader, you cannot. Top Step, you can. My funded futures, I'm not sure about my funded futures. I have to double check on that. I just don't trade it just in case. I'll have to look that up again, though. I think I might have a spreadsheet on that. I do somewhere. I don't know if My Fun of Futures is on it though. Let me look that up real quick. Spreadsheets. Prop firm. Compare prop firms. Oh, I don't have My Fun of Future on there. I definitely have to finish that spreadsheet. Okay, taking out HLV. Yep. Could bounce off of there and head up to GX5. Let's see what kind of resistance we have up here. So we got here. Flirting with that overnight high. Resistance on ES at 98 and 7013. I do have some shorts in at 7013. If it gets up there. ES making, or NQ making a move. NQ making a big move. Heading up for that JEX level. ES following. Well, ES usually leads, but in this case. ES actually looks a little weaker today. Weaker than NQ. High volume level, 0 DTE, yeah. Do I still have my drawing? I do not have my drawing. Maybe that was my 15-minute drawing. Let me go back to 15 minutes and see if that's still around. Yeah, it's way down here. Okay. Looks like it's playing out pretty good. Now it's in the way. That's going straight up. Still have no trades going on right now. Let me look at something real quick here. Took out the overnight high in both ES and NQ. Yesterday we had a boss gap that kept it going all the way up. Yeah, we already had a boss gap down here. What about ES? Oh, we're at a boss gap now. It's a good sign to go up. Boss gap right there. If we didn't have jolts coming out in 15 minutes, I'd probably take it. Ride this up to... We do have resistance coming up right now. Our 2-minute resistance. Hold on, let me get back to my 1 minute. Oh, 7,000. Yeah, right at 7,000. And then at 7013. So either the market makers leaked the information for the JOLTS numbers to be good, or they're bringing it up for bad numbers to bring the market back down. One of two things. We're flirting with overnight high on NQ. Boss gap is holding right now, but if it comes back down, that would be a inverse fair value gap, although it has been closed already. Now ES seems a little bit stronger than NQ. ES usually leads anyways. ES. Still no trades for me. Check out the gold real quick. See where we're at there. Nowhere. Hovered around the 50 line. Heading towards that magnet. $706. Jolt's coming out in 10 minutes. Got a 2-minute 3-bar reversal right at resistance there on S&P. Tech is still bringing us up. Call resistance. Okay, we have a resistance right there. 900 and 920. An NQ. 900 and 920. Three-bar reversal in play. Oh, there's the chat. Hey, no fear. I haven't tried Lucid yet. I might have to try them next because, like I said, Apex has banned me from buying any more accounts. Recovering from a hangover. Okay, I quit drinking 2 years ago. I drink NA beer whenever I go out nowadays because I did not like those hangovers. I used to drink a lot. I used to be a party animal. But yeah, I quit drinking a couple years ago. Don't really see much of a difference when I go out. But I have no risk of DUI. 8 minutes. Are you trading with Lucid now? Gold's not doing anything. Wait for these Jolt numbers to come out. I think we're going to have a big pop up. When's, let's see. I think in a couple days. What's today? Wednesday? Do we have a big day tomorrow? Thursday? Let me look. Love playing the news. CPI is my favorite, actually. I play it both ways. I use my deviation bands too, my overextended bands for those. And they work fantastic. Let's see what we got. Wednesday, Thursday. No, I don't think we have it this week. Building permits on Friday. Must be next week. Yeah, CPI next week. Next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, big day, January 13th. It's going to be a big one. Jolt in 6 minutes. I've got some orders already placed. I don't know if it's going to get up there. 7013 for ES. Don't have levels for NQ for news because I use my deviation bands. And then I have a buy down, way down there. 69, 48, 40, yeah, 48. 69, 48. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get that far. Well, we might. ES, I don't know. See what we've got here. Call resistance. 2600. Although we do have some, we've got some high levels on NASDAQ here. On JEX levels. 1 day max is way up there. 2698. Got a call resistance at 2601. We have another 0 DTE gamma wall. We're approaching right now at 900. 900. And we have JEX level also at 921. Yep, Jolts is going to jolt us up. Three minutes, I'm getting ready here. What am I in? Let's look at my account. I'd like to see a pop to the upside. I'm in MNQ here. Let me adjust my account size, contract size. If it pops up, I'm going to short it. But if it pops down, I'm not going to long it unless it gets overextended. Two more minutes. Yeah, we've had quiet opens all week long. Okay, numbers are coming in a few seconds here. We got 30 seconds. Jolts, jolts, jolts. Come on, jolts. Give us something. It's looking heavy right now. We got support at ES. Okay, coming in, consensus 4.9. Job opening 7.13. Was 7.6. Previously 7.4. Okay, lower job openings. How is that going to affect? Yeah, lower. Yep, there we go. Lower job openings. Weaker economy. Should be good for interest rates, though. Not going to long this until we get down. NQ. See how this closes out. We got 40 seconds. If it wasn't news, I'd be shorting right now because we are forming that fair value gap below overnight high. How's gold reacting, actually? Gold came down a bit, not quite to BL3. So there's that fair value gap right there. Below overnight. Nine o'clock. Don't like to trade between 9 and 10 a.m. So I am actually going to take a break right now, and I'll be back in a little while. I'm going to go eat some breakfast. Stay away from the market for let it play out. Okay, I am back. Looks like we had a little recovery in NASDAQ, but ES is going down. We are at some order blocks here on ES, so this will determine if it's going to take out the overnight low or bounce off. NASDAQ's holding pretty steady. Gold's coming down. $69.66 in ES would be, yeah, that would be a beautiful level right here. So I will be going long off of this. Hedge pressure down here. I think I still already have orders in there actually. So those are still valid. NASDAQ's holding it up. Must be those chips. Gold's not quite there at the level yet. It's almost there. It did sweep a low, so it could actually start heading back up. Let me take another look at gold over here. Just took a swipe. Not quite. Let me look at my ES again. My 1 minute. Nah, I don't have anything yet off the ES. Only those order blocks. Which is not enough. One leg lower, take out that overnight low. Yeah, we still got 40 minutes before the 10 o'clock reversal. $69.77. Oh yeah, I did bounce off of that. Yeah. Almost got down to it. I'm being ultra conservative today. Hey, No Fear, are you trading with Lucid right now? I will definitely have to look for a new prop firm. Although I've got too many right now. I want to keep it at 3. I think I'm at 4 right now. Got Apex still. My Funded Futures, Elite Trader Funding, and Take Profit Trader. I'm going to pare a few of those down. Let's see what my Mentor Q looks like. Let's see. Let me bring this over so you can see it. Let me grab this. Bring it over here. pop this up here. Let's see, do I have my Mentor Q levels open? Let's see. Oh yeah, here they are. So here's my Mentor Q levels. These are my gamma levels. See, we got a call resistance up here on NQ. Runtime error. Remove the indicator and reapply it. Okay. Invite only. End of day. Oops, got on there twice. I'm used to double clicking. Yeah, take profit trader's good. I will try Lucid when I need to. I'm going to run through these accounts, see how many I can keep profitable. I'm going to pull out as many payouts from Apex as I can. What do I have? I've got 4 PAs and 6 evals still over at Apex. So I'm gonna try to get all 6 of those to PA. It's another reason I'm being kind of conservative, because those are the last of my accounts over there. 10 accounts left. Then I'll check out Lucid. I've heard good things about it, but I need to do more research and try it for myself. So over here, what I was talking about were these gamma levels. I was watching a Top Step, I think it was a night program, like a Sunday night. Yeah, opening with Anne-Marie. And Anne-Marie was talking about these levels, these gamma walls here. And she had them drawn on her chart, but she wouldn't tell where she got them from. She said, you go over to the options chain and look for something. I don't know what she was saying. It's open interest is what it is. And this is... So she would not tell anybody that these were Mentor Q levels. I pay $60 a month for this, mainly for the JEX 5. I love it. It goes JEX 1 through 10, actually. The higher the number, the more the interest, open interest. But I find that the JEX 5 level seems to be a very clear magnet. A lot of people trade off of this high volume 0 DTE and high volume put support. As you can see, they held pretty good. What you can do is draw like a box right through here, come up here and draw your level out. So use it as a range. Oops, that's the wrong one. Let me get rid of that. What am I looking for? Oh, I'm looking for a box. So you just take a box and draw it in like that. So that's your zone. I like them when there's a lot of congestion in there, like this area. But my JEX 5 is my number one. Yesterday it played out really well. Well, yeah, this is perfect. This is the option levels. These are the option levels, all right on the charts. Yeah, that's why I started using these, because they are the option levels, the gamma levels from the options market. They also have blind spots, which I only use in gold. So let me draw them here on ES. See how they come out. Redraw these like every day, every night, and they're supposed to update at 5 p.m., but they don't. So I got to do them again. I do them at night, and then I have to do them again in the morning. If there's a purple line here, then it here 1708. So that's from today. Okay, let me get rid of these. So here we are. We got our gamma wall right here. As you can see, it almost came up to the gamma wall and bounced off of that. That's a 0 DTE gamma wall. We also have a bigger one There's the 1-day max way up here. And then we have, what do we have? We have the 1-day minimum. I rarely ever see it hit the 1-day minimum or max. It always hovers, I swear it always hovers around that Gex 5. But a lot of people play off the heavy level. I think that's what that stands for. HVL, heavy level, high volume level. That's what it stands for. High volume level. 0 DTE. A lot of people play off of this, and you can see on the NQ it came right off there. I'd like to do a little research and see how it plays between these, the high volume level and the Gex 5. Have not experimented with that yet. But yeah, these things come in really handy, especially if you're going to trade options. I used to trade options back in the day. I've been trading for off and on for well over 20 years, 25, 30 years. But back in the day, you didn't have the prop firms. So if you blew an account, you blew some money. So I had to work and then make some more money so I can open another account. I was making great money on options. Then I took my eye off the ball a little bit when I had some visitors. I was living in Florida at the time. And that blew that account. I was making, it's making pretty good. 20 grand a month, I think it was. Which was pretty good. Haven't played any options since. Also did a lot of crypto back in 2015 until Cryptopia went under and took my coins with it. Had 153 million Telcoin, which went up to $3 million, and I couldn't touch it. Still can't touch it. I mean, it went under, so what can you do? So I got a little bit of sour taste for the crypto market. And even worse, that my buddy a week before pulled all his coins out of Cryptopia and moved them over to, I think he moved them to Kraken or something like that. Yeah, I think he did move them to Kraken. And then he bought a studio, put it on top of his garage. Prop game is the best. Don't have to use your own money. You get payouts. You can try different strategies with different prop firms. Sort of like Top Step, it's end of day drawdown, which is the best. So you can just place your morning trade and let it ride all day long. Move your stop to break even and just cash out. But you only cash out 50%. If they went up to 80%, I'd go back to Top Step. Okay, here we are at the 200 moving average on ES. It's popping right through there. What do we have over on NQ? Heading towards our Gex level. I'm going to turn these off for a minute here. Need to see. Took out the overnight high. Oh, we've got a boss gap there too. Break of structure with a fair value gap. It's not ended yet. We got 30 more seconds on that. 30 more seconds. At the Gex 5 level right now. Dang. Gold's popping off. Okay, closed there, closed. That is our boss gap right there on NQ. What time is it? 9:34. 9:34. And we have a break of the 200 here. Let me double check this. Long in NQ. I'm going to take a micro on one account. Let me see what account we're in. MNQ. Get a micro in there. Okay, I am in one MNQ. Looking to head up to JEX 5. A lot of times what I'll see in this NQ or ES actually, a little bit more defined, but you'll get all these tops, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these tops, and then you get the breakthrough. It always happens in mid-morning, usually around 11:30, 12-ish, like lunch. I call it the early lunch breakout. This isn't as clearly defined right here. I was thinking last night I'm going to call it a launch pad. They're kind of building this launch pad here, and then they just launch it up. And it actually travels quite a bit. So yeah, as soon as JEX level here, what is this? It's 25,919. 919. I'm gonna take it. 25. I'm gonna take it at 915. Take a little bit of a profit there. At least get in something for the day. Although I find the overnight levels. Discount link for what? For yeah, I do have a discount link actually for Mentor Q. Let me see, where is that? Mentor Q. It's also in my video. If oh crap, I just copy it. Let me see if I can post this. I haven't even posted it in the chat yet. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so that's the mentor. Is that ain't, oh no, not that. Oh shit. Gotta get rid of that. Can I get rid of that? Yeah, that is not the right one. Let's see here. Mentor Q. Control copy. Let's see if this will pop in here. Yeah, there we go. Mentor Q. They got a pro plan also, but that's for like if you want to trade live with them. They have like heavy, deep accents, so it's really hard to understand. I think they're from Holland, maybe, or Germany, one of the two. But yeah, these levels are fantastic. I think it's the only, yeah, I think it is the only thing I pay for. They've got a bunch of videos on there too, and like I said, I've got a review video for Mentor Q. So that's what it's called, Mentor. I also checked out Quantico Cap. I definitely could not understand what he's a Brazilian. And it was drawn like horizontally. It was kind of weird. Whoa. Huge drop. We must have had some news come out. Let me look at the gold. Nothing in gold.
Order filled. Order filled.
I am going to buy into that big drop. too many.
Order filled.
I don't know what just happened there. Shoot, where am I? Oh, barely. I gotta get into a different account here. Okay, I'm gonna take that profit there. I think I actually lost. No, yeah, the PA account there. Where did that get down to? And what the hell was that? Oh, the Discord room. I think that's free. That's free right now. Discord is T6 Trading Academy. Let me see if I can pull that up. Let me find the Discord. Yeah, I didn't post any levels last night because I wasn't too confident in the levels. Let me see. Discord. Oh, Discord link. Sorry, Bob. I didn't read it right. All right, let me see here. How do you even invite people to that? Oh, here it is. No, it's YouTube. I've got it, but I don't know. Let's see. Invite to server. Oh, here we go. There we go. Nobody in there right now in the Discord, but I'm still posting. Oh, and if you can help me out, just hit the like button on this video. See if we can get some more people in here. What I like to do is build enough people in here that trade the same way, that get more eyes on the screen. Because as you can see, I've got a lot going on here. Hit the Jex 5 level. One thing I do like about Top Step is their news feed. I'm going to log into that. I should be logged into it all the time, actually. Let's go into news. Where's the news? Oh, there it is. China tells tech companies to halt NVIDIA chip orders. Okay. That'd do it. That'd make a little blip in the market. You know how that news goes. They always reverse it. I will get another. I'm going to grab another buy on that if it comes back down. Looks like the market's shrugging it off. See what's going on in gold here. Nothing. Nothing in gold. Love trading gold overnight. I did actually, I think I got in a gold last night. Did I get in a gold? Oh yeah, I did. Because there's a... Yeah, I took a gold. I did I call it gold last night? Let me see. 454. I don't think I did call it out. Where's my levels? Gold. No, that was 2 days ago. 459 is pretty close. 454, I think I took it last night. Okay, what do we got? 10 minutes until 10. All right, good to hear it. I'm going to post tonight if I see something. I usually post gold later. I wait for it to develop. Then I've got some specific levels. And then I have a very conservative level that I play off of when I go to bed. And if it hits, it brings in some good profits. Remember one morning I woke up to 1,700 in profits. I do take a 2 micro on that. Yeah, I'm eventually going to put in some exclusive content on the Discord. I think I might make a gold video actually and put it up there in the Discord. But I'm debating whether which one to do. Either the I do modified fibs for some of my levels, and then I have deviation bands as well for gold. It is shrugging off that news. Look at that. Yeah, I'd like to see it get up there for 10 o'clock. I'm going to take a short if we get up there. ES, I'm looking for a short where at 7,002. Do a sweep of that. Let's see. Gold is fighting that 200 moving average. Let me see gold. I'm going to do, let's see where we're at. 477. I'm actually going to place the short at 477 on gold. Oh, shit. Whoa, I just had a power glitch. What the hell's going on? Hold on. Is this... I've got a blank screen here. What the heck? Powering off. Let me switch this over real quick. See if I can get this started. What the hell? I wonder if I just had a power surge. Oh. My number 4 monitor just went out. Shit, and it's not coming back on. Press the power button. Oh yeah, I can't find my signal on my computer. Where is... Shit, hold on a second. Let me look for my monitors here. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Shit. Dell. Yeah, it, shit. I wonder if I can search for a new monitor. Search. Detect. Let's try to... Didn't detect. I'll be back in a minute. It's like I lost one monitor. I'm gonna have to use this second monitor. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna take a short for the turnaround. See if we get it. Oh, wrong account. Let's see. I got two. Let me see if I can find the chat in here. Chat is up. I cannot find the chat. Oh, well, the 10 a.m. turnaround did not happen. This market is strong. Go to my channel real quick. Okay, I guess I'll have to open a channel. Just see the chat. Okay, now I can see the chat. Let's see where we're at here. We're at Jex 5. Occasionally, this 10 o'clock turnaround will happen around 10:05, a few minutes after. Or we'll continue on. Let's see. Check out this gold. Nothing in gold. Oh, live White House briefing. That could move the market, depending on what they're talking about. Wonder what they're talking about. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Definitely take some heat on that. Looks like I need a few more songs here. Did we have a boss gap there? Definitely could overshoot that Jack's 5. Get these Jacks levels out here. $10.05. Let's see. Got a little bit of a turnaround here. Gold's hovering. Oh, we have a nice range here, though. Let me show you how I draw my gold. Got a nice range right here. It lines up to another range. So here are my lines. Orange is aggressive. Red is mid, and green is conservative. Sometimes I enter one on the orange and then two more on the conservative. And then if they line up with one of these deviation bands, that's even more powerful. And then you have half gap right here. This market does need to do something. It's looking a little heavy. Looks like that dip, that news dip was our best play for the day. Nothing there. make sure my accounts. Let's see what I'm in. I know I'm in that short. Just not doing too well. This market's just sitting there. $44.80 on gold. Let me look at this gold again. Yeah, 44.80 looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna set a small short in gold at 44.80. NQ's acting just like it did yesterday. Is it 10:15 yet? Not yet. 3 more minutes for 10:15. Still no talking yet. I wonder what they're going to talk about. Does it say? Full screen's unavailable. I wonder if she's going to talk about Venezuela. NASDAQ sure did shrug off that chip news, though. ES looks a little bit weaker than NASDAQ. We're still at no levels, really. We're at overnight high. Let's see where I'm going to cut this. MNQ. All right, I'm gonna put my stop above that last pivot high. So I want to get stopped out here. Nope. Not yet. Yep, stopped out on that. Stopped out on that. You win some, you lose some. Okay, I'm not seeing a whole lot of nothing. I think I might be signing off here. I took my 10 o'clock trade. Nothing. I don't see anything. I've got I think I have something in gold set up. Yeah, I've got a short set up for 44.80 in gold. We'll see how that plays out, but that's about it. I will see you tomorrow or tonight in the Discord. If I can figure out how to stop this. Okay, I think I found it. Okay, I'll see you tonight in the Discord.